Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to Veracity Stocks. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the highly anticipated Titano Finance. In this video, we'll be giving you an in-depth review of Titano Finance, covering everything from its features, benefits, and potential risks. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what Titano Finance actually is. Titano Finance is a decentralized finance DeFi platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. It aims to revolutionize the way we interact with financial services, providing users with a wide range of innovative tools and opportunities. Now let's explore some of the key features that make Titano Finance stand out from the crowd. Feature number 1. Lending and borrowing. Lending and borrowing. Titano Finance offers a robust lending and borrowing platform that allows users to lend their assets and earn interests, or borrow assets by providing collateral. This feature provides liquidity to the market while enabling users to generate passive income or access funds when needed. Feature number 2. Yield farming and staking. Titano Finance also offers yield farming and staking options, allowing users to earn additional rewards by providing liquidity or locking up their tokens. It's a great way to maximize returns and participate actively in the ecosystem. Feature number 3. Titano Token. Of course, we can't forget to mention the Titano Token. It serves as the native token of the platform, and by holding and staking Titano Token, users can access exclusive features, receive discounts on fees, and even participate in governance decisions. Now it's time to talk about the potential risks. Of course, Titano Finance offers exciting opportunities, but it's also crucial to understand what risks are involved. As with any DeFi platform, there are inherent risks that users should be aware of. Number 1. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Smart contracts. The underlying technology of Titano Finance can be susceptible to vulnerabilities. It's crucial for users to do their due diligence and understand the security message in place before participating in any transactions. Risk number 2. Impairment loss. For those engaging in liquidity provision or yield farming, there is a concept called impairment loss. This occurs when the value of the deposed assets diverges significantly from the combined value of the assets in the liquidity pool. It's essential to understand the implications and potential losses associated with impairment loss. To sum it up, Titano Finance is an innovative DeFi platform that offers exciting features such as lending, borrowing, yield farming, and staking. By leveraging the power of the Ethereum blockchain, it aims to provide users with a decentralized financial ecosystem. However, it is crucial to be aware of the potential risks, including smart contract vulnerabilities and impairment loss. That wraps up the review of Titano Finance. Remember, always conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before participating in any DeFi platform. If you found this video helpful, please press the like button, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.